Human beings are suffer. Human beings are suffer. Eh? Imagine if I'm a cow. Like I will not suffer like this. I will not go to work. I will not go to school. Nobody will send me go and buy this, go and buy that. Like I will just go and chew the grass and shout moo moo. That will be my job in this age. But some people go use me for fufu. Hey, cow also I suffer. Yeah.
Your garage is open.
My God, hey, come here. Hey, young girl, why are you looking at my garage? Hey, did you see my Range Rover?
Range Rover?
Yeah.
I only see your 2 motor and 1 aboboya.
You only see 2 motor and 1 aboboya. Yeah. That's my stack store.
Oh, but Mr. Man,
you are bad.
It's not too late. Too. I hear you saying you can tend to car. It's not too late. There is a pack. You can tend to car right now, even eat the glass. It's not too late. Why? Ah.
Whose daughter is this? See her bottles. You want me to turn into a cow so that you can use me for fufu? You use me for soup. You think I'm a fool? I'm just talking. How can I turn into a cow? Even a dog will never do that. Next time I will not pack any car.